How to sign in your account using Google on Wave. In this video, I'll show you how to sign in with Google on Wave. Let's get started. First, open up any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in Wave. After that, scroll down a little bit and you'll see this logo. Here, click on the sign in option and it will directly load you to login page. If you want to log in using your email and password, simply type in your credentials on this field. And if you have forgotten your password, click on this forgot it and reset your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up now and create a new account. And if you are having trouble signing in, click on this contact customer support to explain your issue. Now to sign in with your Google, simply click on the sign in with Google button. And this is how you sign in with your Google account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.